Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's your host Zook_SK and I'm here with my boy.
Mr. Hectic on your screen, guys, and we're back again with some
Something
new
nice.
faces today. Some new faces today.
Some
You know
new
them
faces, but
from
not
the
that new to
internet.
y'all.
Yeah.
Here with
You here with your boy Complaints Department. I'm here to drop some bangles.
And we have here
We have Fargo here, man.
Mr. PTY LTD himself. And Mr. Domingoes
TDF.
over there. TDF
Like,
stand up to
we have like a
Mr.
few questions for y'all. First one is, how's the coach treating you?
The course is actually very cool. It's just that now we have to do the most important thing, which is dip our bodies inside that ocean.
Where?
Going to the ocean now.
You'll also swim.
Can you swim though?
I can't swim.
Can you swim?
Will you swim? Not that you can. Will
No, I
you?
won't swim.
You won't swim.
Which swim?
Fucking yeah,
Hey, you're starting with your thing. Just swim. No more swimming, buddy.
Hey,
Freaky ass nigga.
Not the fit swimming. Not the fit swimming. The swimming. Like swimming.
What swimming are you talking about?
Not the one you
What's the one you
thinking.
talking about?
Not the one you thinking.
What is man on about? Bro?
What you on about? What you on
So talk
about,
about the
guy?
swimming. How the mommy's here?
I don't see anything.
Don't see anything.
You avoiding.
I don't see.
I saw you there for a phenomenal stream. You were avoiding. One time, mommy. Was it the colored mommy? Hey, no, you in color. You in colors, boy.
Are you Fargo?
You didn't see types? Fargo. You didn't see types? Like
Nah, man, me, I'm married.
FPMA,
I'm
boy.
married.
I also didn't see anything.
Why does it seem like everybody's married here? I only know Bruce is a married one.
I'm also surprised.
Oh, mine is
now.
private.
I'm
Bro.
surprised.
Yours is private.
Yeah, mine is
Is it?
Hey, you guys are tapped in.
Is it Josie?
Nah, man, no.
Not
no
say.
comment.
No comment.
Nah, not say.
I'd rather not say.
I.
So you're telling what happened at Classified?
My phone got stolen, bro.
So you wanted, that's why I told you, hey dog, let's not do that interview here. I think
They were gonna
when you
snatch
took out
that
your
phone there.
you're like,
iPhone 15 Pro.
Bro,
Game.
They stole a 15 Pro.
Yeah.
like that,
so you,
like
you
that.
leave it at home, man.
I think we needed it for interviews.
Leave that thing at
Look now.
It's
Now what are we
gone.
on?
With the
What are we on
interviews,
here?
it's gone. Everything.
We're on an X.
Yeah.
How did they steal it?
He
I don't
doesn't
even
know.
know,
That's the
bro.
thing.
It's a
Pickpocket,
two-finger.
Two
Yeah,
finger,
two-finger.
and it was gone.
Where you drank that thing?
Of course.
Overly,
I was drunk, but I was late.
overly
The
drunk.
way you were looking at me in the eyes, like you weren't aware of your
Surroundings.
surroundings. You're like, hey, yo, let's interview. I'm like, interview? Within the street bash.
Can't do anything
It
like that.
can't happen.
It can never happen.
It's crazy.
Yeah, I don't regret running away.
I don't regret going there at
I don't
all,
regret
boy.
Also the danger.
I decided, hey, that I'm not going there, boy. I saw the danger.
I want Coke.
Nah, we do. Yes. Yeah, so how's your stay so far in here, South Coast? How do you?
It was actually very fun. Too bad we're leaving today. Yeah. Leaving today, we're going back home. We have to go to work, but today we're supposed to be working, but we must work.
Yeah.
Boss keeps on calling.
Yeah.
You don't give yourself a
Gotta go work.
vacation.
Huh?
You don't give yourself a vacation.
No, now what?
Work, bro. This wasn't a vacation.
This was work also.
Yeah. Our boss is angry.
So where is this gonna drop? Where should we expect this?
What?
This that we're doing here?
I'm not sure. We're gonna get the communication from the other team. They're gonna
yeah.
tell us what's happening. But if South Coast would have us again, would gladly come. Yeah.
Facts.
Gladly come. At least what I like about this town is that there's no girls.
Oh no! Oh no! Come December time, you'll see.
Come December,
You'll
you'll
see
see
something.
No, we don't want to see anything. We don't want to see anything. We have wives.
That's what I
Your
like
wives
about this town.
protecting yourselves.
Yeah, man, we have wives. I'm saying, but yeah, that's about it.
Just look and appreciate. Don't approach.
Yeah,
Are you guys
no,
also
don't
like a
even
group
look.
or something?
Yeah,
We got like a podcast also. You know?
For real.
Yeah.
What do you call yourself?
Sonda Sessions podcast.
Songa sessions.
Sonda.
Sonda. Why Sonda?
Sonda because
You all listen to Brent Fires. Or?
Yeah,
not
something like that. Not
just about the conversations we had.
What does Sonda mean? What does Sonda mean?
Hey, what? No, don't.
It means free, like something like that.
Oh, free.
Yeah,
So what your conversations are free.
yeah, free flowing, unfiltered, and speak our minds.
Freaky.
I wouldn't say that.
Not
Just
freaky.
depends who's there.
what was that you were saying about Brent?
Yeah.
No, because I know he's part of a group called Sonda.
Yeah, it's similar to that meaning, but it's not that meaning. Yeah.
Who taught you this word?
Which word?
Sonda.
But chat to
ChatGPT, bro. ChatGPT, boy, I won't lie.
I don't know what it means. You're telling me it means freaky.
Freaky.
Oh.
Free flowing, not
Okay.
freaky. Hey, Frozy, you always freaky, you.
Thank you.
I also want to ask you all a question because they always say Zulu people are rude. And
No, come.
Come close, Baba. Come in. This is our ghost man. He doesn't like cameras, so
Like cameras.
yeah, he rather stay behind the scenes. But today he's gonna show up.
Don't have gloves.
okay, I want to ask, how are Zulu people treating you? Because they always say Zulu people are rude. And they only speak Zulu only. They don't want to learn other things. So, how was your encounter with Zulu people?
Likai.
I think the guy.
Oh, okay. Zulu. And they know other languages.
Hi, what do you mean? What do
I'm
you
not
mean?
Zulu,
You know
actually.
other than-
For real.
Yeah, I'm Zulu.
What are you?
I'm Soto.
Oh.
Yeah, what's Soto?
Actually, with Zulu people, I love them a lot. Especially, okay, let me stick with the men. I love the men a lot.
You love the man. Pause.
Yeah, I love the men. I love the men a lot. I don't know about the women, I love the men. But they've been treating us very nicely, you know. We even went to like Durban, they showed us a fun time. We came back and they've been showing us a good time. So I think the men are showing us a very good time.
Hey, yo.
That's gonna learn. That's gonna learn. Boy.
Have you
You
tried
avoid
Zulu
it, bro, to
dishes?
understand you.
Zulu dishes.
Yeah.
Okay, I feel like we always eat Zulu dishes though. Putu, nyama yenkogo.
Eyangwenya,
Tumisana's new fave.
crocodile meat.
You guys tried it?
Yeah.
So you should do so, Bruce.
I haven't tried that one.
All
really
niggas
nice.
be eating crocodiles, yeah.
You never tried.
I don't know.
You should
I
try that
haven't
shit.
tried it.
Crocodiles.
Crocodile meat is so nice.
I would love to try it. I don't even care. I wish I did.
Apparently, like there's poison there. You just have to pick the right meat.
It's poison. Who told you that?
No, there's poisonous parts. You just have to pick the right meat. But if the chef that day doesn't know,
It's chai.
it's shy, boy.
It's chai for you, but
But it has other benefits.
What are the benefits? Almost dying.
Something, you know.
keep it this or this.
For real.
Yeah.
Yeah, love
Pushing
potion.
this.
Yeah.
Meat lisos don't work on.
What?
They don't work on him. These lisos.
Nah,
There's
he's
a lot
lying.
of girls that try.
He loves this. He loves the love potion.
He choose the
Lisos don't work on him.
He loves the love
But I
potion.
think you got one, boy.
Who?
You.
Me?
This either way.
Nah, me, I don't know, man. But, hey,
You wouldn't know. That's the thing.
I don't
You
know.
wouldn't know.
but that food was tasting extra tasty that day.
Yeah, but you see them too.
It was tasting very nice that day.
Nah, it's crazy, boy. It's crazy.
Okay. That's it. That's all we wanted to know. Thank you for your time today.
Always.
Please, if possible, spread the word about us, if possible.
Guys, shout out to Sonda Sessions. Guys, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. These guys are actually like pushing, you know, it's not easy to push in the middle of oceans. I can't say middle of nowhere, middle of oceans, but you are pushing. Shout out to you all.
Oh, no.